I'm going to simplify. The rule is when you on these you want to look at what's in front of the parentheses. If there's nothing or a plus sign, you leave everything alone. If it's a minus in front of the parentheses, you change all the signs in the parentheses after that. So here's how this works. This first set of parentheses has nothing in front of it. That means I'm going to leave everything in the parentheses alone. So I'm just going to write it down like it is. The next set of parentheses has a plus sign in front. That means leave it alone. So just write it down like it is. Now watch where I put these. The y squared is going to go under the y squared, and that's 2. For my y's, I've got -6, and then I've got a -7 as a constant. So total everything up. For my y squared, 3 plus 2 is 5. For the y's, 6 take away 6 is 0. So those cancel. And then a -5 and a -7 is a total of 12 negatives. So minus 12. 5y squared minus 12. Next one. First parentheses has nothing in front of it, so just write it down like it is. 4y minus 5. Second set of parentheses has a negative. A negative in front of the parentheses means change all the signs inside. So this is going to be a negative, a positive, and a positive. So for my y squareds, I don't have a y squared here. So I'm just going to tack it on the end, -6y squared. For my y's, I've got 7 of those, and then my constant is a positive 5. So for my y's, 4 plus 7 is 11. Opposites cancel. Bring down the -6y squared, and you have your answer. First set of parentheses, nothing in front of it, so just copy everything down like it is. -2u squared plus 5u minus 3. Second set of parentheses, minus in front, change all the signs inside. So negative, negative, and negative. So I have for my u squareds, if there's no number, it's a 1, so that's a -1. For my u's, there's a -4, and my constant is -7. So for my u squareds, -2 and a -1 is a total of 3 negatives. For my u, 5 take away 4 is a +1, and then a -3 and a -7 is a total of 10 negatives.